here we go. Day two. Let me just say, it was ugly, but I made it out alive. Not happy with the performance or the execution, adhering to my rules, maintaining discipline. I did get some takeaways. I'm gonna keep this video short and sweet because there was a lot that happened today that I don't want to drag out. I'm acknowledging what I did wrong and how I don't want to repeat it because in the long run, what I did today, you will lose accounts. And I did that before in the past, and I don't want to go down that path. Definitely not on day two. So as you can see here, at one point, I was down 555, which is way too much drawdown on a, no, I'm sorry. I was down 607 at one point, 700, which is way too much when you only have 1200 drawdown to play with. So I was trying to fight my way back, revenge trade my way back. That's not something you can do when you're trying to pass these challenges, let alone after you get funded. I can't go in with that mentality or that mindset still. So my first takeaway is to know when to walk away. I had the opportunity to walk away. I was trading gold in the London session. You'll see some of these trades here. So the first trade, lost 95, lost 70. At this point right here, should have called it a day. Two losses back to back, 150 bucks. We're done. But instead, I tried to run it back, tried to make back my loss. 10 minutes, 57 seconds, lost in 22. So now I'm down 295. So what did I do? Decided to switch pairs. Now I'm on the hunt now. I'm looking to make my money back here. I'm trying to chase that. So it worked out right. Got lucky here. So caught a trade, over leverage, a lot more contracts than normal. That was 10. I did 10 contracts. So I went from 2, 1, 10. So rule number 2 broken, over leveraging, just to try to make my money back. And pretty close, right? I think I ended up being up $37 at this point. Could have walked away, closed my computer, called it a day, put my phone away. What did I do? No, I wanted to make the $100. So I jumped in, lost that, made a quick 5, and then I proceeded to tilt, trying to make back the $37 that I was comfortable with after the fact. It was bad. So then at that point, I'm down that $600, wondering and asking myself, what happened? How did you get here? You went from $37 to down 600. And yes, I knew. I was like, I'm going to wait for my setup for the PM session and see if I can find anything based on narrative and bias in the PM session to try to make some of it back. Wasn't the best idea, but as you can see, I ended up making all of it back except $50. Crazy part is I got lucky. It was a gift and a curse. I got lucky. My Trade Syncer app sent me this email. I didn't see this email, and my trade continued to run because I had ran out of orders. I hit maximum order quantity. So make sure you are aware that you only get a set number of orders each day. That's why I don't even like to scalp with this many trades because I don't even have to worry about this issue popping up. But you want to confirm on your cockpit when you're using TradeSyncer that you have closed out all of your trades. So within the cockpit here, you'll see all of your trades will be right here. You want to make sure that you're canceling all orders, flattening all orders, and everything is closed. Otherwise, you'll have trades open still, which could be bad or good. I don't know. I lucked out because I saw it at the last minute and ended up closing them. And then those trades actually closed in profit. So I actually walked away up 133 on the other 4 accounts, which is crazy, right? So I don't want to use this as I'm doing something or it was bad. Second lesson that I'm taking away from this is I will have a trade cap, no more than 3 trades. Trades themselves, trade premises or ideas. Max risk is $150 total across the 3 trades. This is going to be a base hits, wins games strategy. Trading gold in the London session, I have to realize that my expectations for big moves cannot be there when there's nothing or there isn't a narrative to back it up, especially for London session with gold. The past three sessions, we're looking at an average of about 25, 30 points. And at that point, I'm trying to take it long, middle of the London session for more than the range has already allowed or given. So I gotta have the proper expectation on price action. We don't even need to look at the charts. I don't want to waste the time to go back and look at them. There was nothing there, but just know that it was a slugfest day. This is a lot of trades. I captured it. The win rate is terrible. Profit factor, terrible. But this is me being transparent. I could have came on here and acted like I knew what I was doing here today or executed like I knew what I was doing today, but I was chasing. My setups were showing themselves well after I should have been on the sideline and I shouldn't have been in these trades to make this money back or to lose more money. I should have just lost the 150, called it a day, and came back tomorrow. So take what you will from that. The goal is patience, discipline, and consistency. Equal profits. Until next time.